Share market news, 25% revenue growth for Rainbow Children's Medicare Limited. Company review positives. One company has delivered good profit growth of 36.5% CAGR over last 5 years. 2 IPO price was Rs 542.75, which represents a good value addition in last 2.5 years. Negatives. 1. Stock is trading at 11.4 times its book value. 2. The annualized volatility for the year is 42.41. It is pretty high. 3. The price, in the recent few months after trading at Rs 1,649. Key developments, update on projects. 1. The Regional Hub Hospital in Rajahmundry, 100 beds, is progressing as per schedule and is expected to commence operations by the end of Q4 FY20. Oak Hospital in Hennur, Bengaluru, 60 beds, faced minor delays due to legal clearances, but these have been resolved, and the hospital is now expected to open by the end of Q2 FY26. 3. Construction has started on the Regional Hub Hospital in Coimbatore, will start in 20 to 24 months. 4. During the quarter, the company has signed a lease deed for a brownfield spoke hospital to accommodate 90 beds in a rapidly growing micro-market of Electronic City, Bengaluru, and expect the hospital to commence operations post 6. 5. This will further strengthen Rainbow's hub and spoke model in Bengaluru. 6. The company has successfully registered and submitted the architectural design for both the land parcels at Sector 44 and Sector 56 at Gurugram to HSVP. 7. During the quarter, Rainbow has established a state-of-the-art child development center at Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. This is expected to commence full-fledged services from November 24. Intro about the company. About Rainbow Children's Hospitals and 4 clinics in 6 cities, with a total bed capacity of 1,935 beds. Our pediatric services operating under the brand Rainbow Children's Hospital includes newborn and pediatric intensive care, pediatric multi-specialty services, whereas our women care services under Birthright by Rainbow offers perinatal care services, which includes normal and complex obstetric care, multidisciplinary fetal care, perinatal genetic and fertility care along with gynecology services. Rainbow Children's Hospital built on strong fundamentals of clinical service along with 24/7 commitment in a child-centric environment. The company follows a hub and spoke operating model where the hub hospital provides comprehensive outpatient, inpatient care, with a focus on tertiary and quaternary services, while the spokes provide 24/7 comprehensive obstetrics, pediatric inpatient, and Level 3 NICU services. This model is successfully operational at Hyderabad and is gaining traction in Bengaluru. The endeavor is to replicate this approach in Chennai and across the national capital region. Subsequently, Rainbow intends to expand. Rainbow embraces a unique doctor engagement model, where doctors work exclusively on a full-time, retainer basis. The doctors work in teams and have 24/7 commitment, which is particularly important for children's emergency, neonatal, pediatric intensive care services, and the company also operates the country's largest pediatric DNB training program in private healthcare, offering postgraduate residential DNB and fellowship program. Annualized volatility is a measurement of how much the price of a stock or asset is likely to change over the course of a year or portfolio. The formula for calculating annualized volatility is annualized volatility equals standard deviation volatility times period Synthia cap ANNUALIZEDVOLATILITY equals STANDARDDEVIATION open cross the square root of PERIODSINTHEYEAR end root. ZY equals Y times Y. In the formula, 252 is the typical number of trading days in a year. A higher annualized volatility indicates a greater risk of investment. or bad. For example, a stock with high volatility might be a good investment if it increases in value, but its price swings can also lead to losses. Annualized volatility ratio. A good annualized volatility ratio in India depends on the volatility index VIX. This is considered a normal range, and volatility over the next 30 days is expected to be normal. VIX of 20 or higher. When the VIX is above 20, volatility is expected to be higher than normal over the next 30 days. VIX near 15, this indicates 35, this shows high volatility. The VIX is a stock market analysis tool that represents the fear in the market. It's also known as the fear index. When expected volatility is high, the fear factor is high, and equity markets react negatively to fear. Employment, inflation, budget deficits, and central bank rates can also influence market volatility.